It's time to assemble and attach the infill panels between each set of posts. You'll need the intermediate pickets, rail connecting brackets, top rail infill inserts, and bottom rails. Locate the rail connecting bracket or RCB holes at the bottom of each post. Attach an RCB to each post with the open side down, using the included number 10 and number 12 self-tapping metal screws. Posts are pre-drilled with pilot holes for the screws. Attach all RCBs to all posts. Measure the distance between each set of posts just above the RCBs for the bottom rail length. Trim each bottom rail to 1/16 of an inch less than this measurement. Next, measure the distance between each set of posts just below the top rail for the top rail insert length. Trim the top rail insert to 1/16 of an inch less than that measurement. Now we attach the intermediate pickets to complete the infill panel. Determine the position of the pickets such that each section is equally spaced. Drill 1/4 inch diameter holes in the top rail insert and bottom rails at all picket locations. You'll need to slightly offset the 1/4 inch holes to line up with the screw chase hole in the intermediate picket. Attach the intermediate picket to the bottom rail and the top rail insert with number 10 3/4 inch pan head square drive screws to complete the infill panel. Install this infill panel by first tilting in the bottom rail onto the RCBs and then rotating the top of the panel inward. It should just clear the bottom of the top rail. Lift the infill panel and snap the top rail insert into place inside the top rail. Pre-drill 9/64 inch pilot holes and use 2 number 8 self-tapping screws to fasten the bottom rail to each RCB. Be sure to slightly offset opposing screw holes so that the screws do not hit one another inside the RCB. Complete assembly and installation of all infill panels. The railing frame is complete. We are now ready to install the CableRail infill.